Hi, my name's Don, and I've come to Northland Physical Medicine to seek treatment for pain and inflammation in my knees. It's been actually the best thing I think I've ever done. Came here last August and was a little skeptical about the idea of getting stem cell injections. And then I read about it and read the materials provided by Northland. And I went to the seminar, and I decided at that moment, knowing that in a short period of time I was going to have surgery in both knees, I decided to go ahead and do the stem cell injections. Within a week, the pain that I was experiencing just getting up out of bed and walking was disappearing. I was able to bend my knees. I was able to go up and down the stairs without feeling a lot of intense pain in both knees. And it's been pretty amazing. I was always in pain. My wife and I like to walk. We like to ride bicycles. We were in Mackinac Island in Michigan, and we rode bicycles completely around the island. It's been a great experience here. Every time I come in, and I come with my wife when she has her treatments, and everybody is so friendly, and it really is a wonderful experience. And I think if somebody were to ask me if I'd do it again, I'd tell them, you betcha, I'd do it all over again in a heartbeat.